Okay, so now before we get going, we're going to need to have special type of pipes. So let's take a look at that first. First thing we need is piping system identified. So down in our families, piping systems, open that up and you see that there's hydronic return and hydronic supply. Well, in this case, I'm going to let's figure out how to know which one you're going to do. So if you look under team members, you each have one. And CWS is cooling water supply, and it's a hydronic. So let's go ahead and see how to make that piping system. You'll each do your own. But since that one's a hydronic supply, I'll make a copy of it. And then I'll rename it with CWS at the end. CWS. It's important that it says hydronic supply. CWS. Has to have that hydronic supply thing on it. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is create a type of pipe. So back here we're going to come to our piping. And we've got standard pipes. And so let's create a stainless steel pipe. Duplicate. Stainless steel. And let's actually make it stainless steel. And we'll do Schedule 10. That sounds good. We'll talk about that in class. Now, we don't have the library for all of the fittings and everything stainless steel. We could get into that, but I don't think it's important for us right now. So now we can go ahead and place our stuff next. Okay, but we're ready. We have a pipe system, right? And by the way, when you place your pipe, be careful that you're selecting the correct system. There it is right there. Okay, that way when you put your piping in, click on it, it says it's the right type. And it says it's the right one. Okay, so that is how you get ready and make a new pipe system type.